Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
This video is a dealer training video. Please enjoy and subscribe. Thank you.
Why pay a dealer to service your ride if your warranty is no longer a reason? It's easy to do yourself with limited tools. Use my step-by-step guide to service your 125 Zontes scooter. No mechanical wisdom required. Just easy-to-follow instructions. If you're new to the Zontes range of motorbikes and scooters, then here is a little info regarding the scooter in this video. A compact maxi scooter designed for the modern world, the M125 is as spacious to ride as its larger capacity sibling, the M310, yet suffers no compromise in agility. Compared to its peers, the M125 is blessed with stunning design cues and outstanding specification. It is quite simply unequaled in terms of performance, specification, and quality. Twin radiators. Excellent cooling enhances power, economy, and durability. The windshield is raised and lowered with the push of a switch. With the head-on airstream lifted overhead, long journeys become infinitely more comfortable. A generous seat bucket with neoprene liner accepts a full-face helmet, whilst the rear grab handles have pre-threaded holes ready for top case plate mounting. With advanced encryption technology, the Gen 2.5 keyless control system performs well in anti-theft protection. The induction key fob is both delicate and exquisite in design. The fobs activate and lock the system from a range of 1.5 m, so can be kept in a pocket or backpack with no need to remove them, so avoiding the hassle of using a key to unlock the scooter. The system is both convenient to use and secure. The Gen 2.5 keyless control system is IP67 waterproof and equipped with a built-in HF antenna, enhancing the sensitivity of the system. It also has a built-in chip sensor, enabling it to unlock the scooter even if its battery is removed or dead. The front shock absorbers are protected from road debris. A TFT full color screen keeps the rider fully informed. The display has 4 personalized themes available and has 2 backlight modes, manual and automatic. Automatic adjusts the backlight intensity according to the change in ambient light. The latest Bosch EFI system integrates functions such as headlight control, fan control, and sports and energy-saving dual mode. A large 12Ah capacity battery supports the daily function of the M125 and performs well on cold winter mornings. Tire pressure monitoring system. With monitors in both front and rear wheels, the rider is alerted to incorrect, high or low tire pressures, thus enhancing rider safety. Twin fast charging USB ports. The USB charger, fast charging version, provides 2 USB output ports that support QC 3.0 fast charging for riders. During fast charging, the output power of a single port can reach 18 W. Full LED lights plus super bright headlights. Dual-channel Bosch ABS. The dual-channel Bosch ABS system allows the rider to calmly control the motorcycle in any unexpected situation. The ABS system brings confidence under heavy braking, especially in adverse weather and on unstable road surfaces. A 12L large-capacity fuel tank meets the needs of daily use. The M125 engine has a high compression ratio of 11.8 to 1, delivering low fuel consumption, whilst producing 10.7 kW 14.5 brake horsepower. All in all, an exceptional choice. Available brand new in UK with 2 model variants, the M125 and the D125 for £3,249 plus on the road charges. Take a test ride at your local dealer. Take a look at Zontes UK. It takes a lot of time to bring you the channel Zontes content. If you could spread the channel's work via your social, it would be much appreciated. Regards, Mad Mick.